Nyamira and County and Kisii County. And during surveillance, we managed to get individuals who were handling seed and they did not have license. Some were also handling uncertified seed that has not been inspected and passed as fit for farmers to access. In Nyamira, we arrested 4 individuals who were selling seed and did not have a seed seller's license. So with the help from the security team, we were able to arrest them and present them to court. So as we speak, the court process is on. Normally, seed that has been certified is well packaged with a packet that has got quality marks and a sticker label where a farmer can be able to scratch and confirm that that seed is valid. So in Kisii County, we came across 210 kilos of seed that was handled by individuals that did not have license. In Nyamira, we impounded 100 kilos. 80 kilos of this 100 was the uncertified seed that was sold by an individual at the marketplace. This operation is going on across the country because we've noted that there are individuals who want to take advantage of the planting season. They want to take advantage and sell fake seed to unsuspecting farmers.
As you know, hapa kwetu ni mashamba ni kidogo sana. Sasa tukiwa na mbegu mbaya, wakulima wanapata mazao madogo. Na tunataka kuwaonya hawa watapeli kwa sababu hiyo sio biashara halali. So we are going to crack down on them in all our centers, including kule mashinani, kwa sababu hatutakubali wakuwe tisho kwa food security katika nchi yetu.